Rebecca was in a marriage probably for 7 or 8 years. She had little children. She had 2 little children. At this time, she had stopped working because she had to care for the children. And really, working would have produced less income for her than the daycare. And so she chose to stop along with her husband. Her husband said, "Hey, don't worry. I'm going to take care of everything. I got you." So 7 years into this marriage, what does he start doing? He starts to restrict some of the cash flow. He starts to control her in little ways. And really, she didn't realize in the very beginning. But when she came to us, it was almost too late. Never too late, by the way. But she was so controlled, so beaten down.
She just really felt helpless, and the real sad part with that, and a lot of people find themselves in this situation, they feel like there's no way out. How am I going to even take care of myself? I've been whittled down to almost nothing. I have no confidence, and I practically don't have a job. I don't have a career. I don't have money.
Isolated from her friends and family too.
Yeah, and I think what you told her.
Yeah, I said, look, there's always hope, and you have to go step by step. You have to go little by little to get out of this situation. It's not going to all happen at once. We don't climb mountains all in one day. It takes some time. So we worked with her to get her on a plan. We slowly started to get her producing some income. First, she was selling necklaces on Etsy, and then she got a job in one of the jewelry stores because that was her passion. The children finally were in the preschool in the VPK in Florida, and so that gave her some relief. So she started to get financially independent from him.
And, whether you're in her particular position or something else, the moral of the story is you see your vision for the way out, and you start taking even baby steps to put yourself one step closer to having the confidence to get out and practically being able to. And taking those steps and changing just one little thing each day can really become a self-empowering cycle to where when you're finally ready to move on, you know that you can do it. And that's what I think makes all the difference for a lot of these people.
Call us to schedule an empowerment session on going through those little steps. We're happy to give you some advice on how to get out of that situation.